Hello and welcome to this video, or as you would say it where I come from, hallo und herzlich willkommen. I am going to show you 3 different types of macrame bracelets that are super easy to make and look really cute. The first one is my personal favorite. It's very simple and you just repeat one knot over and over. It's probably one of the most basic macrame knots there is, and it creates this beautiful spiral. For the second one, you're going to need 2 different colors, and this is actually even more easy than the first bracelet we just made. You just wrap the yarn around the middle part, like I'm doing right now, and then you pull it tight. Repeat this pattern of 2 knots on each side until you reach the desired length. This last one needs a little bit more patience, but once you're in the flow, it's not going to be difficult at all. Use 2 different colors of yarn. In total, you should have 8 strands. Make sure you have 2 strands of the same color in the middle. This is important. You're going to start from the left. Take the outer strand and wrap it around the one next to it on the right side. It's the exact same type of knot as in the previous bracelet. Use the same strand again to put a knot on the next one on the right until you reach the first of the 2 same colored strands in the middle. Now you stop and begin the same process starting from the right. Once you've reached the middle, knot the 2 same colored strands together. That's 1 row done. Continue to do this until you've reached the desired length. And that's it. Here are our finished bracelets. Aren't they beautiful and simple to make? I hope this was helpful and inspired you to make some bracelets on your own. Leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time. Bye!